This is a tutorial for 2 Coins by Dispatch. It's usually the first song I teach people new to ukulele because it's fun and easy, and Dispatch rocks. It sounds like. And once you know that, you know everything about the song. It's based around the chords G, D, C. Yeah, and the progression is G, D, C, G. So you start and end with G. You do the G twice in a row. So when you're strumming the chords, that's what that sounds like. That kind of strumming pattern. The finger picking part, which everyone's interested in, goes like this. So, pretty simple. It starts with G string open, 1 note. Then on the A string on the bottom, you hammer on from the second to the third, and then you have to pick off. So you just you gotta whack your finger onto the hammer, and yank it down, like vertically down, to get the sound to come out. I usually do it with my middle finger, holding on the 2nd fret. So after the comes an open note on G. E. And then after that, 2nd fret on the C string. This one. I usually don't finger just the note. I usually finger the entire chord, so I have the option of doing just the note or the whole chord. That's it. That's all. That's the magic right there. The cool little bluesy thing that Pete does in the beginning and somewhere else. It's a little trickier. You gotta be pretty good with your pinky. My pinky's kind of wobbly, so it's kind of sketchy for me. You are in the G chord when you do it, the triangle one, like that. But you want to have the bar there, and then your middle finger there on the 3rd fret, G string, E string. And then with your pinky, you hammer on to the 6th fret on the E string, and then the 5th fret on the C string. Like that. And so when you put together that finger picking bit along with the strumming bit, whenever Pete does it in the song, or to your own liking, artist's interpretation, and it might sound a little bit like the song. I stick loneliness, your lips, and the 2 coins of your eyes into my pocket. Oh, the train skates into Fort Henry late Sunday. Well, sometimes when I'm riding high, feeling fine, you know there's something troubling you, troubling my mind. So I reach into my pocket for some small change. I reach into my pocket for some small change, yeah. I want bones like iron, blood like mercury, so I can tell you when I'm rising, when I'm sinking in, I'm sinking in, I'm sinking in, I'm sinking in. Gonna take it to the people. Yeah, I'm gonna take it to the people. Yeah, we're gonna take it to the people. Yeah, we're gonna take it to the people. Yeah, hey, let's drink from the cup and share some luck. But go ahead and laugh, cause it don't cost much. No, no, don't cost too much. I stick loneliness, your lips, and the 2 coins of your eyes into my pockets. Yeah, I stick loneliness, your lips, the 2 coins of your eyes into my pockets. Yeah. Yeah, I might have missed a verse, and that was definitely not in the right order, but I'm sure you'll figure it out. And the one last thing I forgot was when he holds that C chord in the strum. I think he does it twice. Fun. Yeah, good luck. You guys got it. I believe in you.